Hello and welcome to the second grade trimester 1 lesson 7 video. So just to kind of review what we did in the previous lesson and the lesson before that, the students make initial claims based on their background knowledge. Then they checked with the experts, and in your student thinking logs, I didn't mention this in the previous video, but we do have a page here, number 6, where they would write down information that they learned in the check with the experts. But then they're going to have a little negotiation of their understanding of the check with the experts. This could be done in lesson 6, depending on how long that takes. But the point here is to have them look at what they wrote down and then look at what it says in the check with the experts and then try to see, does that line up with what the experts said, or do the experts have something different, and why did they have something different, and why don't my ideas line up? So that's the point of this negotiation number 3 here. Then after, and really your role here during this negotiation is to kind of not necessarily saying, well, look, here's the right answer, it was here in the check with the experts all along, but more even the students that have the correct answer. So if they started with the river will change over thousands of years, and then you should ask, well, where's your evidence? And then say, well, look, it says right here in the check with the expert it's going to look different, and it's going to take a long time for it to make an island or an oxbow lake or something like that. And if they had the wrong answer with it, it would just happen very quickly. You know, you would push them and say, well, what does it say in the check with the experts? Does that make more sense now? Things like that. Okay. Then in this lesson, they are going to make a revised claim. So this is number 7 right here. So that looks like this in your thinking log. So you have some different vocabulary that are on the check with the experts. It's in the flip chart. And then you're going to have them redraw what they think the river might look like in 1,000 years and have them include some of this vocabulary. And then fill this out. I support the claim that the river will look different in thousands of years. And my evidence is in the check with the experts we saw, we read about scientists who study this, and they said it takes a very long time, something like that.